Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Lacey with Living with Lacey. So as you can see in front of me, I have another cloth and paper order. This is actually my July subscription box, and I look forward to getting it every single month. So thank you so much for joining me again. If you are new on my channel, please make sure that you subscribe and click on that notification bell so you'll know what I am uploading new content. Just to let you know that I am getting ready to do the next video that you'll see will be how I prepare for July and really setting up these new things inside of my planner. So I'm so excited. All right, guys, y'all know what I love to do. I just some slow motion just to open this up. I am so excited to see that white paper and that black dot. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so just so you know, I get the stationery box. I think she's calling it now planner and stationery box. She changed the name on it. When you get it, it's billed once a month, and of course you receive it once a month, and it is power packed with some great items every single time. This is my, I think, third or fourth, and I love it. I'm gonna keep going. So it's a what's inside card. I'll keep that to the side if it's something I don't understand. And then we have, of course, I love the way everything is wrapped, right? Look at that, beautiful. So I'm gonna take everything out and just go over it quickly what I have. Y'all, do you notice that? I always look to see, is there more? Is there more? It's like when I open up a present. All right. So, like I said, I am a huge lover of cloth and paper. The quality is just amazing. So let's see what we have. I'm still waiting on an order too, so I hope to show you what's going to be what I got for my mini happy planner. This is for my half letter, and just so you know, I am carrying the nude agenda half letter, and I will give y'all another view of that. All right, so what we have first is a card. The distance between dreams and reality is called action. Nice. Put inside. You use those in your pockets. And then we have two cards. I love these. Very translucent. Both of them are for July. And this one we got last month too. I'm not gonna say it was my favorite. I think this one is my favorite because you can put it behind white, and you can probably put it behind black, and it really stands out. This is July. This is July journaling, a little card, and then this is also July, but it's really translucent, if you can see that. Okay, and this card, nice. And we always get some page flags, yay. Some people ask, so if you get the subscription box, do you still place an order? And my answer to that is yes, I still place an order. I still place an order. Not as much though. There'll be some things that I feel like I need. Okay, this is Mademoiselle. Beautiful. Looks really dark, right? Looks extremely dark, but I always manage to pull that off. But look how pretty that is. See how pretty that is? It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful color. Mademoiselle. I also ordered, which I'm waiting on my order, Mademoiselle, the dots. And so I'm excited about that. Y'all, I am in love with, at first I was like, these are too large. They're not. I am in love with these circle sticky notes. And this is in the color Bubble Bath. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. And to be honest with you, they are basically the same size. I mean, if you take it and put it, it looks large, but this is a regular sticky note. If you put it on the sticky note, see, same size as a regular sticky note. So no problem there. Bubble Bath. Last month, she gave us Dirty Chai. So if you can see the difference between these two colors, Bubble Bath is much lighter than the Dirty Chai. right. Next, Mademoiselle and Mink. Come on, Mademoiselle. More sticky notes. So these are shaped sticky notes. Look at that, beautiful. Hexagons, circles, those are really pretty. And you can just look at the different colors. You know, I'm so attracted to this brand because it's just all neutral. No matter what you get, everything is going to match. She will pop some color in there. So let me just show you the pop of color for the month that we got. This is Orchid. And when you receive these, it's not just the dots. I mean, you're gonna get 5 sheets of different shapes. So you have orchid dots, and then there's hexagons. It's really pretty color. Squares. Just the tape. And corners. Now let's see if this is, I don't think these are translucent, but you can write on them. So you can see these are not translucent, but you can actually just write on them. You can write on translucent ones too. All right, I love these. I have several of those. Now let's get into, ooh la la, dashboards. Dashboards, dashboards, dashboards. Love, love, love. Here is, oh man, dashboard. This is basically the 5-year anniversary box. If you didn't know, Cloth and Paper has been in business for 5 years. Guys, is that not gorgeous? I love this. It's kind of abstract too, but you can see that this is the number 5. Goes along with these little circles too. And this is basically, you know, I like to do this test. See, that's good cardstock right there. That is good cardstock. And then the next one, next dashboard is vellum. The best vellum. Y'all, I'm not joking. I'm telling you, when I find a company that I can just get behind, I am behind Ashley and Cloth and Paper. And look, this is what's really good about having a neutral planner, being able to layer, to put layers. Isn't that nice? Iconic. Wow, I love that. Okay, this is something that's very different. I've heard a lot of ladies who got the subscription box say that they were gonna put theirs in the laundry room. I'm like, it's going right in my planner. Right in my planner. Oh man, the feel of this. The soft, the feel of cotton. Is that how the song goes? The magic of our lives. Oh yeah, the touch, the feel of cotton. Love it. It's a laundry guide. So I love that. Look at this, no heat, low, medium, hang dry. Y'all know every time when we buy our clothes, we buy our purchase clothing, sometimes they'll have these little icons on here and you're like, what is that? Now we have something that we can use to, a guide that we can use. All right. Next is another vellum. Love the way that feels. So you can still do some layering. That looks great for iconic. I love it. I think I'm gonna have mine like this though. I really like that. I love this vellum though. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, then, so you see we've gotten basically like 4 dashboards, right? And now we're getting into some inserts. I'm telling you now, is it worth $38? Yes, absolutely. All right, so this is, okay, y'all, I'm probably gonna have to do another video just to go through this. This is a 5-year plan, and it's quite thick too. There's a lot of paper here. This is a 5-year plan insert. Questions to consider, tips, quotes. I have not seen this either. So 5-year plan, the main goal, strategy, resources, personal audit, obstacles, and then the yearly goals that you go through, yearly, monthly, weekly, daily goals. And this is a vision board. Now I need to see, is this for each month? And then these are milestones, like when you're almost there. And then this is, okay, so I'm gonna assume that there's one for each year. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm gonna get into that. That might be a separate video. I'm gonna get into that though. Guys, I think it's so important to have a system where you can set goals and check on them as you go. A lot of times, especially at the beginning of the new year, you know, we make these, set these goals, and then we just keep it moving and never come back to them. So this is another insert. These are Cornell Notes. It's really great. So you can basically, so this is a subject, and then you have notes, and then you have a blank spot right here. So Cornell Notes, I kind of use it for main idea, details, and then the overall message. That's the school teacher in me, yes. And then the last one that we have is, what is this? This is, okay, the month of, for the whole month? Yep, the month of July. She changed the style too. So I think these styles are getting us ready for 2021, because this 7 used to be like really large, and she's really minimized. Is that right? Yes, minimized. It really made it really minimalistic. It's really beautiful. So you have goals, important dates, bills due, and then a to-do list for the whole month. And then you have your monthly overview, and then you get into, y'all, I'm gonna have to replan. I'm going to replan because this is for this week, and I want to use it. And this is, it's lined. I love that it has the week right here, and then you have 3 priorities. So in the comment section, let me know if you use cloth and paper. Do you use the weeklies or the dailies? And in my half letter, I kind of use both, because I'm on summer break right now, and I don't have everything that, you know, a lot of things to do for the day, so I'm using the weekly. So this is going to be great for me for the month of July. I hope I get one for August also. So let's see. So once again, we've gotten inserts, we've gotten dashboards, we've got sticky notes and page flags, and all of this is just beautiful, and I'm just excited about it. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know down in the comment section. I am going to show my half letter again and what I've done to it thus far, and show you how I set up for July in another video. So thank you again for joining me. Make sure that you like, you subscribe, you comment, click on that notification bell, and remember, I always like to say, think happy and be happy.